Okay, what this is playing the relative minor over a progression, a 1-4-5 progression. What I mean by that, no matter what key you're in, we're going to take A, good location on the guitar, that'd be the 1. So A, B, C, D, D's the 4. So we have A, which is the 1, D, and A, B, C, D, E's got to be the 5. That's how easy it is. So, I mean, you could play anything. You could play a rock beat. I was just strumming it. The A. So any type of progression that you want. It could be slow. It doesn't have to be that fast. And because I'm in the key of A, as a lot of you should know, and do know actually, how to get to that relative minor. So if I'm in A, that's the A note, which is on the 6th string, 5th fret. I go down 3 half steps to F sharp. I take the same scale. This is the one without the extension, right? So 1, 5, 5, 8, 5, 7, as far as the frets go. 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. If you've never seen this before and you're not getting it, check out my video, how to play a blues scale and how to play a blues scale with the extension. So take that same shape, move that to the F sharp. That's how easy that is. I'm playing the 2nd and the 5th frets on the 6th string, and on the 5th, 4th, and 3rd strings, I play the 2nd and 4th with my first and 3rd fingers, then back to that 2nd and 5th frets on the 2nd and 1st strings, and try to go backwards as well, and alternate your picking. Down, up, right? So let's take this progression. I can play that in the relative minor. I could also play it in the key of A. And if it's a refresher course for you, if it's something that you've never done before, there's the blues scale. This, of course, is in A. This is in the key of A. I want to emphasize the relative minor. So if we're in the key of A, the relative minor is F sharp. That's how you get to it. So there's A. It's an A major. You get to F sharp. Just like that right there. Somebody answer that for me, please. But that's the scale. That's the scale right there. Okay. So what I want you to do is just want you to focus on this fingering right here. Take that same fingering. That's the triplets. I'm sorry. So right here, blues scale in A. Just take this, the 1-4, 1-3, 1-3, and use that same fingering. So instead of playing the 5th and 8th frets, you're going to start on the 2nd and 5th. Or you can play this one as well. You just want to keep it in the right key, which is the 5th and the 8th on the 6th string, 5th and 8th frets with the 1st and 4th fingers, and then the 5th and 7th frets on that 5th and 4th strings, and then here's your extension. Instead of using your 3rd finger, use your 2nd finger on that 3rd string, 7th fret, slide up to the 9th fret, play the 8th and 10th frets on the 1st and 2nd strings. Going backwards, I'm on the 9th fret, sliding down to the 7th. There's that extension right here, coming right up. Right, so this is really invaluable. I mean, this is essentially what everybody uses. This is exactly what everybody uses. That if you listen to rock and roll, rock songs, they're using this scale. And they're also using the relative minor and variations of them as well. If you follow my other videos, you can see there's 4 different ways of playing a blues scale. Okay? At least 5 different ways of playing blues scales, okay? So, once again, you can play the 1, the 4, the 5, back to the 4. So I'm starting right here on 2nd fret of the 4th string with my first finger. Playing a 2nd, 4th, 2nd, 4th, 2nd, 4th on the 4th string, 2nd and 4th frets on the 3rd string. If I want to go up with the extension, that's how easy it is. It's a 1, 4, 5 progression. 1, 4, 5 progression. Same thing if you were in G. Same thing would apply. If I was in G, to get to the relative minors, the G note go down. So I would actually use that scale starting on the 12th fret. So on and so forth. I could play the G is 1, the C is 4, the D is a 5. Go back to that 4, which is C. G, A, B, C. G is the 1, 2, 3, 4 is that C. D is the 5. And you can use the relative minor in E if you're in the key of G. So, if this is brand new to you, focus on this. Focus on the A to the F sharp and the G to the E. Any questions? Leave a question, leave a comment. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Keep playing and have fun.